quick overview of using the Hovercam Solo Spark 2 with the flexcam software. So first thing you're going to want to do is head to your desktop, and then on your computer you should have the flexcam option here. It's this little green guy here. If you do not have that on your computer, talk to one of the tech people, we can get it downloaded, but it should just come up automatically. So I'm going to click on that real quick. And this just brings up straight what I have. So I am looking straight through the camera here on the side of my project. So this is what's already set up. This is just plug and play. So once you click, you should be able to access that camera. Now we can do a lot of things from there. You'll notice on the camera, don't get sick, I'm just going to move this. We have a few buttons. I'm going to turn a light on. Up here at the top on the left, there's a little switch that you can switch between different light modes. We're going to turn all the light on just so we can see these little buttons over here. Maybe not all the light. But first one here, you'll notice says AF. If I hit that, it's an autofocus. Figures things out. Autofocus L, I think it's to a new level, but it's just another autofocus. And then we have our zoom. Zoom in. Look at those cuticles, zoom out all the way. So then I can move the camera and adjust it to my position. Now, if you don't want your camera to be on top of the paper, you want it to be maybe to the side, there is a little dial on top here where we can adjust the angle and we end up with something like that. There is another button that I didn't mention here in the middle. Let's see. That will flip your camera. So if for some reason it's upside down, you like it one way, whoop, we can hit that and it just flips right over. Everybody's upside down now. So now I can do whatever I'd like here, and whoop, let's just say we're doing some division in class today. Oh look, I've got 20 divided by 2. I'm going to go ahead and say 20, or 2 goes into 2 one time. We put the 2 down here, subtract that 2, we end up with a 0 and a 0. 2 goes into 0 0 times, and we end up with 10 as our answer. I know, beautiful handwriting, right? Okay, so moving down here, we have a few options. I can go side by side. This is going to be useful, especially if you're taking pictures as you go. So we're going to close that side by side for right now and take a snapshot. So I'm just going to take a snapshot. Boom, we have a nice little picture. Now I want to go to my side-by-side. And once I pull up my side-by-side, I can select which image I want, and we can take a look at that original image with no writing on it. Now, we have a few other features we can use with this. I can click on my little stag up here, looks like, and I have a few things that I can do with that picture. So I have a drawing tool. I wouldn't recommend using the touchpad because it's a little tiny thing. So, I know there's not a 4 involved in that equation. I was just trying to draw a number that would work with the touchpad. And then we have our little eraser. Just erase. Boop. And then we also have, oh, undo. I didn't want to erase that. Or redo. Yes, I did want to erase that. We can select things. We can put text on the image, but you cannot write on your live feed here. So if I tried to write on the live feed, oh, never mind. You can do that. Wasn't working earlier. You can draw on their live feed. That's cool. We'll move it around, and everybody will laugh at me because things are in the wrong place. Looking in, you can zoom. You can do some cropping. The whiteboard is a new feature. This will actually work with your smartboard as well with the touch screen, and you can just draw straight on here, broadcast that. So hopefully that helps, and if you have this hooked up to your projector, things are working fairly well. So just a reminder, I'm going to close out, well, I'll just minimize for now. It looks like this. It's a little camera, it's green, it says flexcam. We're going to click that, and that's what opens up our, well, it's unable to start because it's okay. There we go. We'll move on to something else in the next video. Thank you.